Hello everyone, it's Gigi. I have some project shares for you guys from my creative time. So let me share with you what I use and then I'll share with you what I made. So first, I use this My Creative Time You Warm My Heart stamps and die set. And I just used this sentiment down here. It's a little sentiment and it says you warm my heart. Okay. And then next I used the Ginger Boy and Ginger Girl dies, and I used the Ginger Girl die. And then I used the assorted mini tag dies, and these are so much fun. And I used the heart. And then I used this fun snowflake die. The only thing I didn't use was the border or the shadow die. And then I used the present box die without the bow. Okay. And for my embellishments, I used one of these garment pens, and I used it in this color right here. These are also fun to use. I used some of these rusty bells. I used a rusty bell that I just got from my good friend Nancy. Thank you, Nancy. I used some of these shape sprinkles in the white from Doodlebug. I used this Tulip Slick dimensional fabric paint in white. I used my crocodile and some white. I used a white eyelets from Doodlebug. And I used some iridescent glitter dust. And lastly, I used some Brutus Monroe embossing powder in alabaster. So let me show you what I made. So this is what I made. And the box is so cute. It has like this little slant to it. And you could put goodies in it. You could put a gift card in it and stuff it with some shred. And then here is what I made for on the side with the garment pen. I did the little bell. And I made the little tag. And then I made like a little gingerbread cookie looking thing with it. And it says you warm my heart. And then on the front I popped up the snowflake, and I put the little gingerbread girl on there, and then I sprayed it with some iridescent spray all around. And I used some paper just for my stash, but I think it turned out so stinking cute. I just love it. And then I put some eyelets in on the side too to make it look pretty. So that was my first project with it. And then again, I used the present box die. I used this Trick or Treat dies, and I used the large bat. And I use this pumpkin lollipop holder die. And I've used this before, and I showed you guys that you can just cut it and then cut it off at this part right here or this part right here and use it as a pumpkin. And then you use the leaf or the stem or both and change out the color of it. And you'll have yourself a pumpkin. You don't have to use it as a lollipop holder if you don't want to. So that's fun to use it in a different way. And then I used the My Creative Time candy corn paper pad. And for embellishments, I used these Shape Sprinkles eye candy. And I used some Nuvo drops in the color Ebony Black. And I used a whole bunch of glitter paper. And I came up with this. Isn't that cute? So these were so much fun to make, guys, and they were pretty simple to put together. So I hope you enjoyed my projects. I thank you for watching, and y'all have a great day. Everything will be listed down in the description box for you just to click on and go to the store. Okay, guys? Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.